Well, hello there. This is Miss Janet with JLS Success Central, and welcome to my channel. We have a link tree now, and the link tree has all of our services that we're offering. We have increased our digital product offering. We have audios. For every ebook, there's an audio, a corresponding audio for your convenience. We have one-on-one consultations with me. And again, that's in the link tree. We also have added a checklist bundle where everything that we talk about, checklists, that's plural, are available for you to help guide you through the process for all of you who are do-it-yourselfers. But we're excited because our next step is we have a goal for the entrepreneurs that we work with, and that goal is to help you get to $100,000 in funding using your EIN in 2022. In 2022. Now, the higher up you go, there may be situations where you will use your personal credit. But what we're talking about, we're focusing on getting you to $100,000 with your EIN. Go back and listen to that replay, because that's the foundation that you're going to need to build to get to $100,000 in funding in 2022. Now, some of you may have already started and you're on your way, so it might only take you 3 months to get to $100,000 because you're already almost there. Or, you've already got your compliance and everything, and your business is fundable. And then some of you, it might take 6 months. Some might take 9 months. Some might take a year. But what we're telling you is we're here to walk with you every step of the way. Whether you are do-it-yourselfer, we provide the checklists and ebooks and audios to guide you, or if you want to work one-on-one with us. So again, we need you to check out the replay of the live that I did this weekend. It's called Business Fundability Matters. So it has all the foundation that you need to build a solid business credit history and go to the next level. Okay? So I have about 3 oldies but goodies that I want to go over with you today. And I'm sure you've heard of all 3 of them, and you may or may not have opened up accounts with them, but it's the end of the year. Consider doing this at the end of the year or beginning of next year. The first one is NOV. Let me tell you, don't sleep NOV. NOV has not only does it give you access to your Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax Business, Experian Business credit reports, but they also report to all 3 bureaus. They report to all 3 bureaus. Now, here's a way that you can get NOV reporting. There is a $39.99 a month boost, credit boost program? Yeah, business boost. And you see here, full bet they report to Dun & Bradstreet, full credit reports and scores, and they report to all 3 credit bureaus as well. Now, let me go here. To sweeten the pot, you can also open up a business loan builder. This one right here. You can open it up at the same time, but you have to use a different email address. Like my companies, I have 2 companies, and each one of them has an admin and an info at, like admin at whatever the name of the company is, info at whatever the name of the company is, and then of course my first name. So you can open up another account for the same business but you have to use a different email. And then you're going to have 2 accounts reporting to all 3 bureaus. So that's 6 payment instances. And one might say, well, what am I, well, I had a client ask me, but what does NOV do for me? They build your credit. They build your credit and they give you access to your credit reports. Look, if you're trying to get an Experian credit report, they start from $39 to $159. I'm talking about per report. Dun and Bradstreet is like 100 and something a month. It's just crazy. NOV, don't sleep, NOV. Check them out. Okay, I have the link in the description below. And again, this is the end of the year. You're reassessing what you've done this year, how you built your credit. And if you don't have NOV in your portfolio, you're sleeping. You're sleeping. Check it out, okay? They have a lot to offer. And they also match you with other companies that are offering credit. My clients and I, we get a lot of offers from NOVs. Some we take advantage of, some we don't. Okay? All right, so let's go to the next one. Now this one right here, I ignored them for the longest. They sent me a request. They started reaching out to me back in July. And I kind of like, I don't want to do that, because I was just focusing on getting certain things, opening up certain accounts for my businesses. So I was only focused on opening up certain types of accounts. So I just wouldn't, a jewelry account just wasn't in the cards. But you know what? We're building business credit. And because we're building business credit, if somebody's going to give your business a line, what is it, a trade line, and it's something that you can afford, why not? Why not? This is level 1 and 2 type. Actually, it's more like level 1 type vendor. But it reports to all three credit bureaus. And they have all types of bracelets and earrings and household goods, and they keep adding to what they offer. They have gift sets, they have all types of things, and it just is good to have another line, another trade line that's boosting your credit. Now, right now, I told you about NOV, both NOV's account, that's 2. And I'm telling you about this one that's reporting all 3. That's 3. So right now, just me talking to you, I'm telling you about 3 lines, 3 different trade lines that reports to all 3. Now, what do you think that can do for your business credit profile? And you know what? They report to Equifax. They report to Equifax as well. So that's important in and of itself. We tend to just focus on Dun and Bradstreet or Experian. Don't sleep, Equifax. Just check them out. Just use it to build your foundation. Pay your net 30s. Pay them on time, and to make it even better, pay them 10 to 15 days before they're due. All right? And okay, excuse me. And the last one that we're going to talk about here is CEO Creative. I've been with them. I've had CEO Creative for about a year on one account, on one of my businesses, and about 7 months on the other. And when I first started with them, they were reporting to Dun and Bradstreet, but that was like a pilot test. And they said that they're trying to get it, I guess finalize what they were doing with Dun. But they do report to Equifax, and that's a good thing. That's a very good thing. I believe it's Equifax and Credit Safe. But Equifax is a good thing. It's a good thing. And CEO Creative, their eligibility requirements are, well, first let me tell you, they have all types of product. They have office services product. They have electronics. They build websites, so on and so forth. Oh, they have marketing material. where you have your name on your mug and so on and so personalized marketing material. They have office furniture. Office supply, not office supplies, but things for your desk. You can use what they have. They have all sorts of things. And let me tell you, their requirements here for Net 30 is very, 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 very simple. So, this is only for U.S. businesses. The business must exist at least 90 days. You have to have a clean business history and no late payments. You know what? If that's you and you have not, and you do not have a CEO creative account, again, this is the end of the year audit. Consider adding this. It will build your Equifax history. And so I've given you 3 lines of credit, three different trade lines. One knob, credit boost, and then we have the other knob. What is that called? The knob. Let me get it right here. Knob business loan builder, and then we have JJ Go International, and then we have CEO Creative. Oh, I didn't give you the data point on JJ Go. JJ Go, you need your EIN. All of these, you need your EIN number. JJ Go, you need your EIN number. You have to upload your articles of incorporation or organization from your Secretary of State, and you don't use your Social Security number on any of these. And, of course, you need your EIN number. I don't think they ask for the EIN letter, but just check it out and see. Hey, this is Miss Janet with JLS Success Central. If you like this type of content, press the like button. Leave me a comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so thus far. And please follow us on Instagram and Facebook. We need your love there. We need the same kind of love you're giving us here. Okay, the link is in the description below. And check out my link tree. It's in the description below. And let you know about all the digital products and services that we're offering now. Alrighty, I'll talk to you later. We go live again this Saturday at 5:30. Hope to see you there. Grace and peace, Miss Janet out.